Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and to another unboxing. I know there's quite a few videos going up this week, but I have quite a lot to get through, so I wanted to get everything filmed and uploaded before I forget, which does happen quite often. So this is another PR package from a fantastic company called DIY Digital Art. Now, I have done quite a few videos with these guys and I think they're fantastic. They are fantastic on prices. The canvases and the projects I've had from them have been really, really good. There is also a post review I'm doing from this company, which is a couple of projects and a canvas. So keep an eye out for that one as well. So very excited to open this one. Something a little bit different in here. So let's get into it. Right, so we have 3 items with this company. So I'm going to put these 2 out to the side a moment and we're going to focus on this one. So this project is something a little bit different. I saw it and thought that would be perfect for my daughter's bedroom. So I had to have it. So I'm very excited to open this and actually see what it looks like. So it comes in its little cellophane bag. It's quite well protected and we've got a few things in here. So we've got some double-sided tape on there. We've got some adhesive stickers. We've got our basic toolkit. We've got a couple of baggies in there. We've got our diamonds. And then we've got this, which is in between some foam sheets. So I'll just show you this. Oh, look at this. Now this is classed as a wall decal and it's supposed to go where your light switch is on your wall. It's supposed to sort of sit. So this is your light switch. It sort of sits like that over your light switch, which I thought was really different. Something a little bit unique and something my daughter would really, really love. So I'll put the price of this one at the bottom here for you, but I think this is just absolutely beautiful. And as you can see, we've got some nice clear symbols and we've got lots of drilling area as well. I'm excited to see what diamonds we get with this one. So it looks like we go up to number 5 possibly, or number 6. Number 6. We've got 6 colours on there. And it's made of sort of like an acrylic plastic. But it's really nice. It's nice and sturdy. And it just has the plastic cover over it there. So I think that's really pretty. And it's nice that it came really nicely packaged and protected in there. So obviously these stickers are for attaching it to the wall once it's completed. And our diamonds. So we won't have a lot in here because it is obviously only a small project. So did I say 6? Yes, 6. So we have the 3 rhinestones. So you can see it's got number 1, 2 and 3. And we have a beautiful sort of green turquoise colour. We've got a beautiful deep blue. And then we've got a pink. Oh, that's unusual. I didn't expect pink. So that's going to be nice. We then have number 4, which is these really tiny little gold teardrops. We have number 5, which is the bigger blue teardrops. And then we have number 6, which are these beautiful turquoise marquee style ones. So that's going to be really pretty. That's a really nice little project. Our next one is the only canvas in this order. So I am going to just unbag this one. And I don't actually know what this one looks like. I'm excited to see. So it is a poured glue. There we go. So this is actually a special shape. So it's technically a mix between a partial and a special shaped. So it is classed as just special shaped on their site, but special shaped usually means partial anyway. So as you can see, we've got this beautiful blue butterfly on these flowers. It is a lot of sort of like round drills in the background, but then we do have spaces for some special shaped. So I'm excited to see what they look like. I'm not sure how many special shapes we've got, but I'm excited to see. I can see 1, 2, possibly 3 special shapes on here. So it's a 40 by 40 canvas. We do have a legend on both sides, and the legend does come with the number, symbol and DMC code, which I think is really good. We've got 18 colours on here, and it's nice and clear, as you can see, which is what I expect from this company, because I've had a few from them and they've always been really nice and clear, easy to read, easy to follow, easy to work on. Very pretty. And then the background is just printed this beautiful sort of like watercolour effect. So I think it's really pretty. It wasn't a lot of money, this one. I will put the price of this one just here for you. But I think it's a really nice, easy to do image, this one, which will look really, really effective once it's completed. So our symbol code is MY023, and we check our drills, which matches up there. Toolkit is again just the basic one. So let's get into these. So let's start off with 310. So we're going to have a lot of the, like I said, the round drills, and then we'll have some special shapes to add in at the end, which I think is very exciting. So this is our 310, so they are really nice drills. We've got a crystal that's jumped in there, look. It's a nice little addition. Can never go wrong with extra crystals. Beautiful sort of blue-grey. We've got some beautiful bright oranges, which are for the flowers. A pale yellow. We've got a lovely pale blue, bright blues, and then we've got a darker grey, another pale yellow, some more blues. We've then got, is that a 3865, 14? Yep, so we've got a 3865 there. And then so we have a rhinestone. Wow, so we've got 14 standard round drill colours up to 3865. We then have number 15, which is a beautiful silver clear rhinestones. So the rhinestones are symbol J, so we get little specks of these rhinestones, and they go all around the edges of the wings as well. That's going to be beautiful. We then get number 16, which are these gorgeous, these are one of my favourite ones to work on when it wants to focus. These gorgeous blue, purple AB crystals. I think these are absolutely amazing, and they look so beautiful when they're on. So number 16 is K. So we have some in the wings here. It's going to look really pretty. We then have the same shape, but in the crystal AB, which is beautiful again, and this is symbol L, so we have another mix of them through the edges of the wings and coming into the middle of the wing as well, and also the centres of the flowers. And then finally we have number 18, which is N symbol, which is again the same crystals but in this beautiful sort of pinky, peachy, orangey AB, which is just gorgeous. And that is going in the flower stamens here around here. So I'm really impressed with this kit. I don't usually like partials, which if you've watched my channel for a while, you know I don't. But when it comes as special shaped ones, I love them. So I'm really happy with this kit. It's a lovely size. The price is fantastic. We've got a nice clear legend on both sides. Lovely clear symbols on the canvas. 14 beautiful drills, and then we've got 4 specials as well. So fantastic. Really, really like this one. Excited for this one, and it won't take long either. So this is our last item. The box is a little squished, so I'm hoping that the item inside is not damaged. Oh, hi Ted, you've not made an appearance for a few weeks. What are you doing? Yes, I know. Can you come to say hello? You can't really just sit on there though, can you? It's not a seat for cats. No, don't eat the box. Right, Teddy's now gone. Thank goodness, he's trying to eat the box. So, this one. Are you ready? Get everything out of this box. So, and Treacle's come to say hello as well. Go lay down. Lay down. So, as you can see, it's a clock. And I just thought it was really, really pretty because it comes already on this sort of like a really thick cardboard material. So I do have a peacock clock for my daughter, but it's on a canvas, so I've obviously got to mount it onto some sort of board. But I like this because it came already done. It does have the mechanism at the back there, which is just needs tightening up. It's a little bit loose. I think it's really nice. And this apparently, I'm sure this is the one that glows in the dark. I'm going to have to test that somehow, aren't I? I'm going to go through it, and then what I will try and do is, at the end of this bit, I will try and insert a clip of it in the dark to see whether it actually glows before I put the drills on. So, we do get the clock mechanism as well, which they're not the best quality, but it will work absolutely fine. You get your first and second hand, and then you get your, is it called like a second counter or something? So hopefully they will work okay. So I'm really glad that this comes with the mechanism, because I know some places just sell the actual clock, but they don't come with the mechanism on the back or the hands. So I'm really happy with that. We get the basic toolkit, which is tray, wax, baggies and pen. Then we get all our beautiful drills. So excited. So we're going to have a quick look at this. So it's in good condition, considering the box was a little bit squashed, but this is absolutely fine. It is just white. You can just see the edges there, so you could always just paint the edge if you really wanted to, which I might do. But once it's up on the wall, you probably can't really see it. It is poured glue, so it comes with the plastic cover. And you can see it's got the 12, 3, 6 and 9 on the middle. Which the hands will just go around here. I'm not sure whether this is glow in the dark as well. I'm sure some of it is glow in the dark. That's why I chose it, to be honest. And the fact that it is so covered in drills, I just thought it would be beautiful when finished. So up close you can see how nice and clear it is. We are all numbers, so it'd be really, really easy to follow. All over there. It's going to be really, really pretty when done. It'll take actually quite a while because there's a big drilling area to do. So that's a really good project. I'm excited to do this one. Really happy. And it is really good solid material that it's made of. So it's not flimsy at all. I'm excited for these drills. So it looks like we've got 11. Yeah, we've got 11. So number 1. Oh, we have ABs. Okay. See if I can put the flash on for this. Look at that. We have ABs for our number 1. Wow. I didn't know it came with AB drills, so I am extra, extra happy. Our number 1 drills go around here, and then some of the patterns around there as well. They are gorgeous. I'm so happy when I get a kit with AB drills. It just makes me really happy. I don't know why. I think I'm a bit like a magpie who just likes anything sparkly. We've got a little square that's jumped in there. I don't know how you've got in. So that's number 1. Number 2 is just the beautiful bright red rhinestones. Number 3 is the gold, so it's the gold side that goes up on these because that's the raised side. And these look really pretty when they're on. We missed number 4. Oh, so number 4 is this one. Number 4 is the turquoise rhinestones, which I really, really love. They're always so sparkly and one of my favourite colours. Number 5 is this gorgeous deep emerald green. Number 6 is this beautiful purple. Then we move on to our bigger ones. So we've got number 7, which is the half AB pearls, which are gorgeous in white. Really pretty. Number 8 is the red ones. They're beautiful. Number 9 is the green ones in the same shape. Number 10 is the slightly bigger pearls, so these are like the medium pearls. And number 11 is the same but bigger, so these are the large half pearls. So that is going to look absolutely beautiful when it's done. So what I am going to do is, I'm going to try and insert a clip here of it in the dark without the drills on. I'm going to see if any of it actually lights up, which will be interesting to see. We'll see. Big thank you to everyone at DIY Digital Art for sending this over to me. I absolutely love all 3 items. They are beautiful. They're going to be so much fun to do. I love having these sort of projects in between my really big canvases, so this always keeps me entertained. And a massive, massive thank you to all you guys for watching. Please remember to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys!